So my favourite things from today so far has been, I guess, everything, because there's nothing that I could fault that I've seen so far. The workshops have been great. We get to break up into smaller groups and focus on different subjects that are relevant to us as trainees that we don't get exposure to in our training otherwise. Excellent talks by Dr. Rahman and his team. As always, they do a brilliant job with organising these events. Location, venue was great. Food was good. Everything's been lovely.
Today's conference was, I think my favorite thing was just the amount that he covered in, such a little time. It was only 9:30 we started, and now it's 6 o'clock. So we went through the exam, the MRCGP, the AKT, and the CSA exam, and the different, ways to prepare for that. And it's good to sort of get an idea early on how you're going to plan your next couple of years going down in the training course.
I liked that the course covered a little bit of everything. So there were educational topics, so topics about the exams. Then I, for example, don't have an obs and gynae job in my GP training, so that was covered. So it gave me an idea of what I need to read more about. And then there was also sort of finance issues and then well-being. So I liked that it covered a little bit of everything.
I think the best thing about today is the fact that it's a whole different variety of what things you can choose to do, and actually it's good lectures in general about topics to do for GP training as well, and things that can help maximise your training in some ways, and also things to learn, like topics that I haven't got rotations in, so it gives you extra key points to remember and actually will help me think about things in the future.